What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm just gonna want to show you guys a real quick trade that I took on 4/16/24 on NQ futures, and I just want to show you this. It was a really good setup. I used the ICT model from his 2022 mentorship just to see how it would work. Right now I'm not on any funded account or anything. As you can see right here, my goal is to finish the whole ICT mentorship 2022. So number one, I can also learn more and then start buying a funded account and pass it real quick. And then also secondly, I could teach all of you guys even more from the knowledge that I gained from the 2022 mentorship from ICT, so you don't have to sit through the hours of time it takes to watch all of them. Alright, so this is going to be one of the main models that he teaches in the 2022 mentorship. So today market opened at 9:30, and to determine my daily bias, what I did was go on NQ, and I saw that there was this big dump to the downside. I mark out the dump like this, and at 9:30 we were also in an hourly uptrend. Not at 9:30, before 9:30, I mean. So I was very bullish. That's a breaker structure marked out there for you, and as you can see, we were clearly had just breaking through that high right there before 9:30, so we were in a 1 hour uptrend. So that showed me that we wanted to show some sort of retracement into this little range. And on top of all that, there was SMT at these lows right here. This was SMT right here, which showed me even more of bullish signs. And so then I went down and dropped down to a 5 minute. On the 5 minute, I'm gonna mark out the 8:30 mark right here because that's when ICT in his mentorship, that's when his setup kind of appears. This is the 8:30 mark right here. I'm just making it a dotted line so it's easier to see. And after 8:30, we can start looking for our first trade. Since I was bullish, I marked out this 8:30 low because I thought we were gonna sweep it and go up. As you can see, we swept it, showed a little bit of reaction, but on the 1 minute, we didn't fully displace, so I used this low right here instead because this whole move down was before 9:30, and also this just looked like the Judas swing to me because it wanted to just stop everyone out, all the traders that were here, and get some more short buyers in here before we started going up really and sweeping out these equal lows. So once this liquidity right here got swept, I went down to 1 minute. The sweep was right here at 9:30, as you can see, and we did not really get a good amount of displacement. This swing high did get displaced above, but we did not get a fair value gap left behind. So this trade I couldn't even have taken either way, even if we had a full displacement. So then I waited for an even deeper liquidity reach right here. I waited for this high to get displaced above. As you can see, we wicked above it, but we never really closed above that high, so I couldn't take that. Then it went down one more time for the third time. When price sweeps liquidity like this 3 times, it's a very strong pattern for reversals. And then we broke through this swing high right here perfectly. As you can see, I'm marking out red real quick just so you can see. Orange red. I don't know why this red line's here. I think that's an hourly breaker structure, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. We broke structure on the 1 minute to the upside. The next step after the liquidity sweep and the displacement is to look for a fair value gap that's within the range of the breaker structure. So the breaker structure happened right here, right on this red line. We're looking for a fair value gap within from this low to this high right here to the breaker structure line. As you can see, within that range, we find a fair value gap. It's very tiny, but it's still there. And as you can see, the fair value gap gets tapped into on this candle right here. And I literally got a sniper entry. I literally entered it right there. My stop was this low right here, 151 pips. And my TP was this high right here because I had seen that this was all generating liquidity, buy side liquidity, that we were going to eventually have to take out. And we took it out right there perfectly. And almost right after we took that high out, because that was equal highs right here, this high right here, this high right here. There was a bunch of equal highs right there, and then there was also this high right here. So I was very confident in this trade. This was a really beautiful trade, and if you did spend the like 3 minutes that long that this video was, I hope it really benefited you because that's one of the best models out there to use, and it's the easiest to grasp too. So I hope this makes sense, and I'm gonna be out for right now. Peace. See you.